The Industrial Internet of Things, or smart manufacturing, goes far beyond simply monitoring operations. It can provide better insights, suggest methods of improvement, and enable greater efficiency by combining sensor inputs with analytics and applications. For example, systems have been developed that can notify engineers of service issues before they happen, putting comprehensive details about the location of the problem, how to fix it, and the spare parts needed for the job into the hands of those best prepared to react quickly. Smart manufacturing highlights the need for a convergence between robotics and the Internet of Things. Of these emerging technologies, a specific set will be increasingly relevant for the manufacturing process: augmented and virtual reality and 3D printing. The government can help improve energy productivity by supporting applied research and development of these smart manufacturing technologies and encouraging regulations that adopt their future use. At NEMA, we are focusing on identifying and addressing standardization gaps and policy needs to promote the growth of smart manufacturing. For more information about the NEMA Strategic Initiatives Program and to find out how to get involved, visit our website at www.nema.org/si.